Hey everyone, so today I am going to show you how to use Infinitepay.io for IT services. Whether you are managing client payments or handling service fees, Infinitepay.io offers a secure and efficient way to process your transactions. Let's dive in. First, log into your Infinitepay.io account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the IT services section. This is where you can manage and process payments related to IT services. To receive payments for IT services, create an invoice or payment request through your Infinitepay.io account. Include details such as the service description, amount due, and payment terms. Now, to make a payment for IT services, click on Send Payment option, enter the recipient's details, including their payment information and the amount to be paid. After doing that, review the payment details and confirm your transaction. Make sure to include any references or notes relevant to the IT services being paid for. Now you can even track and manage payments through the Infinitepay.io dashboard. You can monitor payment statuses, view transaction history, and handle any issues that may arise. Ensure that both parties have set up their payment details correctly to facilitate smooth and secure transactions. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to use Infinitepay.io for IT services. This platform helps you manage and process payments efficiently and securely for your IT related activities. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.